Hello. Hello guys, can you hear me? Hello guys, can you hear me? Yes, D Srinivas. Hello Srinivas Verma, how are you? I am audible, right? And you guys can see my screen. Yes, fine, sir. Okay, great. So please like the stream, like, share, and subscribe. Right? These are the three magic words. What about you? Thank you, Srinivas. I'm also fine. Thank you so much. Yep. So today we are doing the project. We are continuing the project of Netflix clone, and we are building it with HTML, CSS, and Java. Right? Yes. So we'll start. Srinivas, yes. Can you please tell me in the last session what we have done? Because the instructor was different. So can you please tell me what we have done, what the instructor has shared with you? What were the tags, different tags, HTML tags that he has taught? And I am very pretty much sure that this session is going to be very interesting for all of you. Okay. Yes. And if there is any technical issue, please let me know. Okay, guys. Any technical issue, please let me know. Okay. Yes. Yes, Srinivas, are you there? We'll be starting the class as soon as the students are there. As soon as everyone is joined, we'll start a session. Okay. Yep. Guys, can you please let me know in chat whether I'm audible or not? Yes, sir. Yes. Thank you so much, Rishu. Thank you so much, Santosh. Yes. Now it's great. See, uh, now don't call me sir. Okay. No need to text sir, sir, sir. I'm not your sir. Okay. Yep. No need to call me sir. Just bhaiya. Bhaiya is cool. Okay. Yep. Yeah. I don't look like a sir, right? That old, stout, grumpy old man. Not like that. Nothing like that, right? Yeah. So bhaiya is fine. Yes. So I think your previous session was quite interesting. Yes. And I would try to make this session more interesting for all of you guys. Jai Shri Ram. Nice. Okay. Yes, let's go. Yeah, please like, share, not share, sorry. Please like, share, and subscribe, guys. Okay, these are the three words that I should be repeating, and I will be repeating. Okay. Yep. Yeah. So, guys, now one basic difference that whenever I'm starting that, now I am not the same instructor as your previous class, but okay. So I want to set up like just a quick recap of what everything has been taught. Okay, cool. Yep. Sorry, my webcam is a little bit. Yep. Now, great. Now listen to me one thing. See, are you able to see my hand, guys? Can you see my hand? जल्दी से yes 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 सब लोग लिख दीजिए. Please type yes or no. Yep. You guys can see my hand, right? Great, great. Now, if you can see the hand here, you're not able to see the functioning of the hand, right? Can you see the blood? No, you cannot see the blood. Can you see the muscles? No, you cannot see the muscles. Can you see why this finger is moving, why these fingers are moving? Can you see? No. Can you see the bones? No. But okay, it's not that a beautiful kind of a hand, but yeah, it is a okayish hand. Okay. Similarly, this is very similar to how a website works. Okay. This Netflix clone that we are developing is very similar to your hand, not in literal meaning, but yes, you can say. So what happens is, um, this hand here, what you see is the front end. This is known as front end. Now there are two things in developing any website. Now this is just normal interaction. I'm not going on the project right now. Okay, so what I was planning, see, I had to take your first class, but I was not available for some emergency for some reason. Now I'll be taking all your classes. Okay, what I want this session to be interactive and interesting. Okay, it has to be, why it has to be interactive? See, if I am the only one speaking, let's do this, let's do that, it will be boring, right? But if you guys can interact with me, if you guys are talking to me, if you guys are like very active in the chat box, then that gives me motivation. Yes, yes, yep. So that is the thing. Yeah, so now there are two things in development of any website, that is front end and that is back end. Now backend is on the complex side. Okay, coming to my hand, bones, muscles, blood, and in blood, hemoglobin, RNA, DNA, all these things are present, right? Okay, so there is a doubt here. Kaushik's Arena. Will we get notes and the video again? Uh, I will let you know, Kaushik. Okay, be active. Uh, Towards the end of the class, I will let you know whether you will get the notes and the video again or not. Okay, cool. Now, one more thing, guys. Don't no, sir. The sir is not required. Okay. Yeah. Please, any one of my brothers or friends. Okay. No, no sisters. No sisters. Okay. Any one of my brothers or sisters can type in the chat box that this is not a sir class. This is a bhaiya class. Okay. Cool. No, sir. Only bhaiya. Yes. Yes. Great. Thank you. Yeah. Please, and yeah, again, like, share. Okay. Done. Now let us continue. Let us continue. So anyone just type in the box. This is not a sir class. This is a bhaiya class. Bhaiya's class. Great. And in between, if you guys are having any doubts or anything, please let me know. Just type in the chat box and let me know. Okay. I think you don't have an option to talk to me. This isn't sir class. It's bhaiya's class. The spelling is quite wrong. It's bhaiya. Hey, sorry. Okay. Yep. Done. Please like, share, and subscribe again. Great. This is bhaiya's class. Great. Great. Thank you, Rishu. Thank you so much. Yeah. And if in between, in these 2 hours, if you feel that the class is not being interesting, please let me know. Okay. There is a comment. Okay. Bhaiga class. Great. Now, see, one more thing. There was a quote that I heard when I was in 10th class. Okay. So the quote was ki, if you are not interested in subject, actually it was physics. Ki, if you are not interested in physics, the teacher is not teaching properly, right? So if you guys are not interested in web development, your instructor or your teacher is not teaching properly. Okay, and I will try my level best to teach you so that you can get the most of it. Okay, now let us come back. So I was talking about my hand. Okay, yeah, you cannot see the blood, you cannot see the muscles, you cannot see the bones, but of course it's working. It can do movements also. Yeah, yes. Okay, so it can do movements and it is, you can see. So the thing that you can see, the thing the customer sees or the thing the client sees is your front end, and the thing that actually is working is your back end. Okay, now front end has to be colorful, interactive, dynamic, eye catching, head nodding. Whatever adjective you want to put, you can put it there. Okay, but the backend, again, it's boring, it's tiring, not tiring exactly, but yeah, it's kind of boring. Okay, now what we are teaching or learning, we are learning about front end, so it will be interesting, it will be good. Ritesh, yes bye, yes bye, great. uh, so this is, you guys can see my screen, please just let me know if you guys can see the PPT here. Yes, were you able to see? Yeah, great, great, you were able to see now, great. So here these are the symbols. Okay, this is HTML, this is JS, this is CSS, and this is Bootstrap. Okay, do you guys know about Bootstrap? Bootstrap, it is a platform or a library of codes where all the codes are present, and you can just not, no copy pasting. It's we will call it borrowing. Okay, you can borrow the code from there and you can use it. Great. Yes, reusable codes, exactly, reusable codes. Nice. Hello, hello, Mudawat Sindhu. Yes, again, bhaiya's class, right? Great. Guys, the class is not boring, right? You guys are enjoying. It's not going like, the graph is not going down, it has to go up. Yes. So Arpita, interesting, thank you so much, Arpita. 5 points for Arpita. Great. Now, here is the slide. Let us talk about this, right? So now, introduction done. Activities. I am like, okay. Let us have a brief introduction. I am your instructor for this level. My name is Pranay Pawar. I am from Uttar Pradesh. Okay, and we are doing this 7 days boot camp where you will be learning Netflix clone or a dynamic Netflix with the help of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay. Yep. So what are we going to learn this course? We are going to learn about HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, and tools and platforms. Okay. Concepts that we are going to learn. We are going to learn about CSS class and ID selectors today, division and span tags, adding gradient effect, and the background image. Now, before coming to the division tag here, it's clear and understandable. Amrit. Thank you so much, Amrit. Yes. Now, I want you to tell me whether the division tag and span tag was done in the last class. Yes or no? Yes or no? Quick. Span tag and division tag, whether it was done in the last class or not. Yes. Shreya Tiwari. Shreya. No. Nitish, no. Div is block level. No, bhaiya. Okay, okay. We will have a recap. We will have a recap. And I have a challenge for you. Please do revise it, bhaiya. Done, done, done. Cool, cool. We'll revise it. Don't worry. One more thing. I have one challenge. Sorry. Yeah, I have one challenge for you. Now, you have to, like, you guys are on your laptops and systems right now, most probably, right? And otherwise also, no problem. You can just quickly, when I'm just giving you the challenge, you can quickly go to your notepad and just type it there and write it there and see. Okay. Yes. Okay. Thank you, Moria. Thank you, Kaushik. I'm going to revise it. Don't worry about it. I'm going to revise it. Yes. So division, as the name suggests, it's very simple. It will create divisions in your website. Now there are major divisions already done, but we have given particular names to it. Okay. So the major divisions that are already done are basically header, body, and footer. Okay. What is header? This is my head. So we have given header. And okay, I cannot show you my foot, but basically the lower part, that is footer. And yeah, of course, can you see my body? No, no, not like that, but yeah. So this from here, the part is, that is body. So that is also similar to our website. Yes. Yeah. So header part is the upper part, body part is where the content goes, and the footer part is where the information for the company or for the client, whatever you are creating the website for. So here, there you can see some logos are there, some contact us, index, and some the yes, these are the things. Yep, great. So all these things are present there, right? Yeah, yep. So these are things. There are three divisions already done that are header, body, and footer. Now in body, if you want to create, okay, guys, I'm good with specs or without specs. I think without specs is better, right? Okay. Okay, we'll do without specs, no problem. That are just my computer classes without specs. Thank you, Magna. Great. Yeah, we'll continue. Let us not distract. We have to complete our project. Yes. Great. Yes. So, where were we? We were talking about division tag. In body, we are having divisions, or we can create divisions to put our content there. Okay. Why are we creating a website first of all? Website is for a client. It can be for a client, or it can be for your business or for your own use also, right? If it is for a client, in the division you have content. In any website, let it be for anyone, there has to be some content present, right? To add that content, to show that content, we are creating division tags. Okay, guys, are you maintaining your notes? Are you having a small paper or a notebook and a pen with you? If you're not having, I request just keep a simple diary. Okay, Mamta, thank you so much. Yes, Mamta. Shreya. Yes, great, great. So I won't ask you to write 100 lines of code. No, no need. We'll be writing simple code, and we'll be just going through the like what are the tags. Just write about the tags, so it will be beneficial for you in the future. Now, one more thing. What was the one more thing? Okay. Yeah, the plan. So the first day we have learned about HTML. Today, half of the time we'll be learning about HTML, then CSS half. The next day also we'll be learning about CSS, then 1.5 day for JavaScript, and the other remaining time we'll be completely dedicating it to our project. That is Netflix clone. Great. Yes. So let us come here. The division tag. You can see the division tag, right? Yeah. Please type. I'm not able to see the chat box right now, but I want yeses from everyone. Okay. Great. Okay, let me just come to the chat box once. Yes. Yeah, please go with a yes with everyone. Yes. Yeah. So division tag defines a division or a section in an HTML document. The division tag is used as a container for HTML documents, or container for HTML elements, which is then styled with CSS or manipulated with JavaScript. Okay. Yep. Yes. Now, one more thing. See here. Um, we were talking about my hand only, right? So yeah. So this is the hand here. Here, whatever you can see is HTML. Whatever you can see is HTML. On what it is based? It is based. My hand is based on bones. The bones are JavaScript. How it is moving. See. Okay. And what you are seeing here, the color, my nails, and everything, that is CSS styling. Okay. If I color my hand, that would be CSS. Full form of CSS. Now, can anyone tell me the full form of CSS? Sri Charan Chaudhary. Hello, Sri Charan. How are you? Now, quickly, can anyone tell me the cascading style? Yes, it's cascading style sheets. Great, Simran. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Meghna. Cascading style sheets. Cascading style. Great, great. So you guys are active. This is I want. This is what I want. I want you guys to be active. Okay. Yes, cascading style sheets. Great. Thank you so much, everyone. Yes. So it's cascading style sheets. Yep. Now, HTML is hypertext markup language and JS is JavaScript. Now, do you guys know how many types of languages are there? How many types of languages are there? Anyone? No, 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 not communication languages. I'm not talking about communication languages. Not like English, Hindi, Telugu, German, French. Not, no, not like that. Languages which we are using to develop different things. Three types. Great. Quickly type what are the three types of languages that we are having. Um, Python, JavaScript. No, no, no. Okay, okay. Okay, what about Kaushik? Kaushik, what about Java? Java is not a language. What about Ruby? What about Go? All these are not languages. C++, Python, and Java. Okay. So, yes, Arpita. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. What about PHP? All these are not languages. Yes, I want a response, guys. Okay, so one high level language and low level language. Okay, but high level language and low level language is a different concept. I'm not talking about high level language and low level language. See, one thing is we are having programming languages. Do you guys agree with me? Yes. Yes. We have assembly languages. We have markup languages. No idea. It's Chandravardhan. Machine language, programming language, assembly language, markup language, all types of languages. Okay. Now, React and Angular are frameworks. They are not languages. Remember this. React, Angular, these are frameworks. Okay. We will learn what are frameworks also. Don't worry. When we are talking about JavaScript, we will learn what are frameworks also. Don't worry about that. Right. And there was a question from Kaushik. Yes, Kaushik, yes, we are going to provide the notes and the video as well. Don't worry about it. Cool. Till now we are cool, guys. Now let us come to hardcore teaching. Okay. Now let us come to what we are here for. Exactly. Okay. Just a second. Yeah. Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much, Kaushik. Yes. So any sort of content can be put inside the division tag. Okay. So the division tag is to divide the section in divisions in HTML document. Okay. Yes. Now, why this division tag is important for us? Basically, when you learn about CSS, now I will just give you one hint. When we are learning about CSS, the entire screen of your laptop actually is divided into 12 columns. Okay, 12 columns. These are rows. These are columns, right? The vertical ones are columns. The horizontal ones are rows. So it is divided into 12 columns. Any type of division you can say is divided into 12 columns. Now, if you want to use any of the division, one way is to just group the columns. You can tell the CSS, telling the CSS, okay, how you are telling the CSS. It's not like, okay, so Kaushik is there and Chandravardhan is there. So it's not like I will tell Kaushik, give me 4 columns. So he will just take a plate and give me 4 columns. It's not like that. It's not like CSS. Give me 5 columns. Make groups of 5 columns and the left 2 columns leave it for me for my another work. It's not like that. I'm not talking. It's not talking. It's not communicating. We have to write code for that, right? Yep. So we'll be grouping You can group four columns, you can group three, two, 1, that's your choice. Or if you're working with HTML, normal HTML, just HTML, what you can do is you can just give it division. You can create a division. Okay, yes. So this is the division tag. What is the division tag, guys? Division tag is to create a division in any HTML document. Are we clear on this? I want a yes from each and everyone. Are we clear on this? Great. Yes, Rajkumar. Thank you so much, Rajkumar. Yes, Rajkumar, it's not sir's class, it's Bhaiya's class. I'm not your sir, I'm just your Bhaiya. Yes, great. Yeah, we'll continue. Sorry, we'll continue. Usage of division tag. If you can see here, on the left hand side code, I'm just okay, you can see this one. Okay, we'll just come to this code first. If you can see h1, now we can just define these tags also. See h1 tag. Now there are 6 tags actually: h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, h6. Okay, now h tag, h1 tag is for heading. Okay, if you want to give any heading, you can use h1, h2 tags. These are the group of tags. Okay, what happens here is that h1 tag will have the highest priority. Your heading would be big and bold, and as you go down like h2, h3, h4, h5, h6, the size also decreases and the priority also decreases. Here in h1 tag we are styling. What we are styling? The color is red, text alignment. Now the color is red, color is attribute. Now first of all, okay, let us do this once again. The h1, what h1 is, it is a tag. Style is another tag. Style is attribute of that tag. Okay, I am Pranay, I am wearing this Reebok jacket. That is my styling, that is my attribute. The color is property. What is the color? Color is blue and white, so color is red, that is property. Value is red. Color is property, value is red. That's how it works. Text align is attribute. What is text alignment? It is attribute. What is the value of text alignment? It is center. It has to be in center. Okay, and what is the value of the tag? The h1 tag, that is, this is heading. Now, and with the backslash we close the tag. That is very simple. I think you have done it in the first class. So this is heading. Now p tag, similar, it is used for a paragraph. Same styling we are giving and we are writing this is paragraph. Okay, now if I have to write 100 headings, 100 paragraphs, do I have to write it 100 times? 100 times h1 styling tag, 100 times h2 tag, 100 times paragraph tag. Do I have to do it that way? Yes or no? Do I have to write it 100 times? But if you are simply using division, I will just division tag, it comes very handy. Now, for example, yes, one more thing here. If the styling is same for all the 100 tags, if the styling is same for all the 100 tags, no need to write the 100 tags again and again. Okay, so there is a doubt. If one day attendance link is not filled, means we can get the certificate. Um, I will let you know. I will let you know, Sanjana. Okay. If one day you are not filling, then you will get the certificate or not. I will let you know. Don't worry. Okay. Yeah. Now, guys. One more thing here. See. Uh, okay. Tell me in the chat box how many are here for the certificate and for just the attendance. Just for attendance and just for certificate. That was a valid doubt. No offense to Sanjana. No offense to Sanjana. That was a valid. You're going to get the certificate or not. But I'm raising this question on my behalf, on my interest, right? how many of you are just attending the session for the sake of certificate and for the sake of attendance. That's it. Be quick. Yes, that's what I want. Please understand the concept and please understand the subject here. If you want certificates, I will give you, there are websites that will give you certificates, okay? But if you have a certificate and if you don't have the concept, if you don't have the subject, the certificate is of no use actually. See, you're not going to get an internship or you're not going to get a job on the basis of just a certificate. There are interviews also, and in interviews they are going to ask you questions, not as simple as what is division tag, but yes, there are going to be questions, and if you are going to face those questions, you should know the subject, right? Exactly. Attend the bootcamp videos. We will give certificates. Don't worry about the certificates. What you have to worry about is the concept. What you have to worry about is where I have to put the division tag. What you have to worry about is where I have to close the document, where I have to close the HTML tag, where I have to close or where I have to open the paragraph tag. How should I put the image in my HTML document? How do I make it colorful? How should I make it interesting? These are the things that you should focus on. Yes, great. Let's come back. Yep. So here what we are trying to do, if the styling is same, you can see in H1 style also the styling is same. In paragraph also the styling is same. Just the content is different, but the styling is same, right? What we can do, we'll introduce the concept of the div tag. You can see here the division tag. We have created one division. In that division we are styling. That division completely we are styling. Color is lead, text line is center. So whatever you give in that division tag, if you give a heading, paragraph, image, whatever you will give in that division tag, it will have the color red, it will have the text alignment as center. Got it? Yes. Next thing is the span tag. The span tag is different from division tag, but not in many ways. What happens is the division tag actually is block level. It works like this, right? Whatever content I'm going to put in this block, this content can be styled by the division tag. It is a member, or it is a like a part of the division tag. But span is not like that. Span works inline. Okay, so span is inline element. What happens is, so if I'm having one line and I want words to be of different colors, like if I'm typing hello I am Pranay and I want hello I am Pranay to be from 5 different colors, what are we going to use? We are going to use the span tag. Okay, guys, are you ready for the challenge? Like, first of all, did you understand the division difference of division tag and the span tag? Yes or no? And please like and share it with your friends. Kirti Reddy, thank you so much. Kirti. Shreya Tiwari, thank you so much. Yes. Now, please let me know if you have any doubts till now. And please share. Guys, are you enjoying the session? Yes, please like and follow, guys. Yeah. No, it's not efforts or anything. It's just my work and it's my duty. It's my passion. When the students come to you, or even when they're like, okay, the session was interesting, so we love the session, we got to understand and we got the knowledge, that is more than anything else for me. That is what I feel actually. Yes. Yep. Great. Now the division difference is clear, right? The difference of division tag. Now I want one more yes from all of you. Are you ready for the challenge or not? Are you ready for the challenge? I'm going to give you a challenge and I'm going to give you 3 to 4 minutes. Great, great. I can see Meghna, yes, yes. Hemanchala, yes. Okay, great. Shweta, big yes. Tiwari, okay. Thank you, Shreya. Yeah, so here is the challenge for you guys. Now, challenge is you have to use two division tags. Only one among two should have the text alignment and color attribute. Okay, you have to use the style attribute for only the division tags. Use style attribute only for the division tags. One should be like this is heading, the background should be white. Other should be this is heading and this is paragraph, and the background should be yellow. Come on guys. Okay, try it, try to do it. Whether you are able to do it or not, please let me know. Okay, let me explain it to you once again. What is the challenge for you? Okay, I will be sharing my screen completely. I will be showing you this. Yeah, so the challenge for you, this has to be the output. One is like this is heading, the background color is white. Another one is this is heading, the background color is yellow. And you have to use two division tags. Okay, okay, I will give you one excuse kind of thing. Yeah, you can use division tags as many as you want. Okay, so you have to use division tags, and you have to write like this is heading and this is heading, another, and this is paragraph. These two things should be in yellow color, the other thing should be in white color. Let's go guys. You can type the code in the chat box also. I will check the code, and you can try it in HTML document also. Yeah, now how we are working. You guys are very, you guys should be very clear about it, right? How we are working. No, sorry. Yeah, see here, you just go like this, you click on new, you click on this thing here, text document. As you click on the text document, a text document is created here. You click on this text document here. In this text document, you have to first give some like doc type HTML. It is not necessary, but you can just give it. Okay, then you can just give HTML. If you are having anything like header or anything body, you can put it, you can close them. Okay, then you can create. So these are the things, like this is how we work. Then while saving it, when you're saving it, so you just go like file, save as, and whatever your website name is there, so website dot, we have to give the thing as HTML. Okay, you have to give as HTML. Okay, then you have to save it. Yes, so as soon as it is saved, you guys can see here it is a Microsoft Edge extension, like Edge, this thing is gone there, and you will be able to see like nothing is there. I haven't put anything here, so that would be there. But if I am putting anything inside it, okay, so HTML file would be created. So this is how you can save it. Okay, now let us in head section, if I'm giving this paragraph tag, hello guys. Okay, sorry, hello guys, and then I have to close the tag, right? And then I have to close the header tag also. Then we will save it. You guys can see, hello guys. Ooh, it's not magic. Yeah, it's not magic. That is just how we are working with text documents. Now you guys know about editors. There are online editors also. Oh, yes or no? There are online editors also present with us. CodePen is there. I will just, yes, CodePen. CodePen is there. That is one editor that you can use to develop your websites. One disadvantage of CodePen is that you are not able to upload files. Okay, you're not able to upload files there. Another one, my favorite, you won't say my favorite, yeah, you can say, yeah, my favorite is Replit. It's Replit, Replit. So in Replit, there are file uploading options, there are divisions already done, files are already created. Let me just show you. If you're able to see my screen, and if you're able to see, please let me know. Okay, so this is Replit here, right? So this is another ID that I'm using, or wait, I will show you. Yep. Sorry for this. So we are having a replit here. This is there. Oh, guys, would you like to see something? This is one of my repls. Are you able to see the screen? Yes or no? See here, this is what we created. This was like not, this is not complete actually. Okay, this one is not complete one. Wait, I will show you the complete one. Yeah, like, yeah, it's just like a continuous process, right? We have created many things. So this is like a normal flash sale kind of. It was not dynamic, it was static. The background changes, it is a sliding feature we have added JS. The timer here changes 15, 15, 1, 0, 60, like this, it changes, right? It's interesting, right? Yes, so this is the interface of replit. This right here you can see output. In between we are typing the code. This is HTML code. Here you can upload files. These are the images. Okay, this is style.css and this is script.js. This is, yeah, it was very simple. Yep. So this is replit. Yep, you guys can work in replit, you guys can work in CodePen, and you guys can work in normal text document also. And now that is like the best one is this one. This is Visual Code. Okay, this is Visual Code Studio. This is the best one, because the interface is quite nice. Yes. Yeah, let us come back. So guys, answers, are you able to create the division tag? I need your answers. Are you able to create the division tags? Oh, okay. Yes. Really, you guys are able to do it? You guys are able to do it? Drishti Kumari, yes. Rajkumar, yes. Okay. Guys, my screen is not visible, right? Okay, okay, wait. Okay, so everyone is able to do it? Well and good, guys. Very good. Yes. Nice. So should we try it here? Okay. Should we try it here? Should we try it in the notepad? Or like, if I'm getting one note that sir I'm not able to do this, then I am going to do it in the notepad. Should I do it, or were you able to do it? Should I do it, or were you able to do it? Mamta, it's bhaiya. Once you do it, sir, done, Soumya. That's what I want, right? Yeah, don't worry about it. I'm going to do it now. Okay. Okay. So Mamta, do it, bhaiya. Done. Yes, do it. Great, great, great. Done. Thank you. So we'll just remove this P tag. You guys can see the HTML. I want yes or no. I want yeses and nos. I will create one division. I will give style equal to color white or red, whatever you want. And we'll be giving the text alignment. Yes, there was next the text alignment, right? Yeah. So text align. What is the value? Center. Okay. Close it. Next, you have to give the h1 tag here. What is your h1 tag? What is? You guys can see this notepad that I'm sharing, right? Please let me know yes or no, guys. Oh wait, where is it? Yes, great, great, great. So I will be closing this H1 document here. The next what we have to do, we'll be creating another division. As I told you, we have to use two division tag. So here, no, closing it. Styling, what we have to do here, another styling, style equal to. Now we have to give the background color as yellow, right? Like background color is yellow, right? Yes. Other things, any other thing that I have missed? Any other thing that I have missed, guys? H2, this is heading, closing the H2. Please let me know if I have missed anything. Please let me know if I have missed anything, guys. You are my savior. We'll be closing the division tag. We haven't closed the division tag, right? Yeah, we'll be closing the division tag. Two divisions have been created. Two divisions should be closed. Did I miss anything? Let us save it. Control S is for saving. Shortcut, simple shortcut. Okay, so website. This is heading. This is heading. A background color is not coming. Okay, this is coming. Background color is not coming. Why the background color is not coming? Move the head tag. Style equal to color. Is it see color? It's background color. Right. Okay, this is good. Guys, what I have missed? Please let me know. See it. You can see the yellow background. Done. Done. Yes or no in the chat box. Done. You got the idea? Yes. 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 Great. This is how we are doing. This was a division tag. Now one challenge for you. One challenge for you. Very simple challenge. Okay. Yeah. Here you can see what we are typing. Yes. Next. So one more challenge. Shall we have one more challenge? One more challenge. Yes or no, guys? Yes. Great. Great. Now I want the output in the same line. What are we going to do? I want the output like this. I am red, I am blue. What are we going to do? This is the output that I want. I am red, I am blue. Yes, Meghna answer is correct. Chandravardhan answer is correct. It's the span tag. Okay, we'll be using the span tag here. So span tag, line element tag, right? So here you can see this is the solution for the span tag. Great. This is the span tag. So span style color red, I am red. Span style color blue, I am blue. And we'll be getting the output like this. Done? Great. Now there are two things that are very important apart from division and the span tag. Yep. Uh, so these are selectors. Now we are having two types of selectors. One is ID selector and one is class selector. Okay. So the ID selector is started by a hashtag. You can see here. This is started by a hashtag. We write a hashtag character. You can see. So this is ID selector. We are giving the para one ID here so that we can request the CSS to let us access that ID once again, one more time. Okay. Is that okay, guys? Yeah. So this is ID tag. Now here, so this is how we are typing. Now one ID we have given and I am accessing that ID and I am giving this hello world. Done? No doubts? No doubts, right? No doubts till now? No doubts till now? Yep. It's a unique ID. Exactly. It's a unique ID. It's a unique ID. Now style red, color is red, large, font size is 50 pixels. ID is read large. Will it give me the correct output or will it not give me the correct output? Whether the output will be correct or not, please let me know. Yes, please let me know, guys. So we are having one ID that is red, another ID is large, and we are using the ID here as red large. Output is correct or not? Guys, output is correct or not? Yes or no? No. Chandravardhan says no. Why, Chandravardhan? Why? Why are you saying no? Anyone? Anyone? Not only Chandravardhan. Anyone? Yep. Why no? Why no, Chandravardhan? Why no? What is the error in the code? Guys, why there are no replies? Is the class not interesting? It is going boring? Interesting, right? Yeah. Then show it again. Okay, I will show you again. So style red, I have given one ID here, red, color red, one ID large, font size 50 pixels, and then the style tag, I have closed it. Okay. Yeah. Now I have to wear my spec. These are computer classes, not my eyesight classes. Yeah. I will be just wearing them for like 15 to 20 minutes. Okay. Yeah, I know I like handsome without the glasses. Okay. We can come back to the class now. Yes. So the ID is red large. Now I have given, there are two different IDs. Red and large are two different IDs. But when I'm accessing it, I'm accessing at one ID only, ID red large. So will it work? Will it work? Yes or no? Will it work or not? Chandravardhan says no. Will it work or no, guys? I am asking Chandravardhan why it will not work. No. Okay. So the correct answer is no. It won't work. It won't work. Arpita, it won't work. Why won't it work? Why won't it work? Okay, you guys are either school going students or you guys are either college going students, right? Because they're exactly, Maurya, exactly, Satish. Thank you so much. Because they're different names, exactly. See, when you go to your school or when you go to your college, you are not given two roll numbers, right? Roll number one and roll number two cannot be the same person. Roll number is one. Roll number one is for a different person or a different student. Roll number two is for a different student. My roll number in my college is M9. So M9, I'm not that famous, but yeah, faculty and teachers, professors, they are quite familiar with M9, right? I'm not notorious kind of a student, but okay. Yeah, I'm not a nerd one also. Your teacher is not a nerd one, okay? Yeah, don't worry about it. So the thing here is that topper, no, nothing like that. I'm a backbencher. I'm not a topper. Okay, cool. Let's go. So the thing here is that there are two different IDs. Two different IDs cannot represent one single person. Okay, two different IDs cannot represent one single person. Similarly, two different IDs cannot represent one single tag or a one single styling attribute. What is the solution for this? ID selector. This is wrong. We cannot use like this. So how we are able to fix it? Either you can use class. Okay, similarly like division, we are having classes also. Okay, not this one. PPT audio. So what I can do is, when I'm using the class there, style, when I'm using a class, the class can be accessed by dot. So if I'm writing dot red, red is class and dot large is a class. Okay, we can use classes here. So class is red large. I've created class is red large. It will be combining both the things red and large, and it will be giving me the output. This is correct. Got it? Guys, got it? Yes or no? Any doubts till now? Chandravardhan, yes. Yumekna, yes. Thank you so much. Any doubts till now? Any doubts? See, no. Okay, no, sir. Okay, done. Now, see, there are two things. When the student does not have any doubt, there are two things. Either I'm teaching very well, either I'm teaching very well, or you're not understanding anything, therefore you don't have any doubt. What is it? Either I'm not teaching well, or you guys, or I'm not teaching anything, therefore you don't have any doubt. What is it? What is it? Everything good? You're understanding, right? That's what I want. You should understand. Yes. Okay. Then that is what I want. Then thank you so much. Great. Now we'll be learning about gradients because we'll be using gradients in our project also. Gradient, whoever does photography should know about gradient. There are two types of gradients: linear gradient and radial gradient. Gradient is like the color of the shades are different. The color changes, right? The color changes. That is gradient. Yes. Radial gradient is in a circular manner. The radial or the linear gradient is in a rectangular fashion. It can be from top to down. It can be left to right, right to right. Anything. You just have to use it in a proper way. That is gradient. Okay. Cool. Now I want you to write this thing in your notebook. What is the difference between ID in CSS and the class in CSS? So a selector in CSS with that style the specific element is ID. With a particular ID, I can point out, okay, this is the person. With a class, elements, different elements, a group of elements can be styled. Okay. The syntax is we have to write hashtag for a ID and then declarations. And for class, we have to use dot. So dot class is for classes. Please write it down. Used to apply styling to one specific element and used to apply styling to multiple elements. That is, class is for multiple elements and for singular elements, we are using ID. Is that okay, guys? Hello, guys. Is that okay? Yes. Great. Done. Now let us done. Drishti. Drishti Kumari. Yes. Thank you so much, Drishti. Now, if you guys are enjoying the class, please do like, share, and subscribe. That is basic. But if you're really enjoying, tell your friends also. They can join. They can also understand. They can also learn. Right? Yeah. Please tell your friends also. Yes, bhaiya. Sure, bhaiya. Done. Great. Thank you so much. Now, till now, any doubts about now what we have learned? We have learned about division tag. We have learned about selectors. Any doubts about division tags and selectors? Any doubts? No, no. Done. Then I'm continuing. Okay, I will continue. No. Okay. Done. Done. Okay. Done. So let us continue. Now let us come to VS Code here. So guys, let us come to our project a little bit. Yeah. So first I have already done the project, but I will be doing it with you guys also so that you can also understand it in a better way, in a better fashion. Yes. So first thing that you have to give is the doc type HTML. Okay. then you have to give the HTML language. HTML, not Kang, it's lang. HTML language, it's EN. The EN code is for English. Then you have to give the header tag. Okay, then is the meta character set. Meta character set is, we are using the code of UTF-8. Now here all these things are not for your understanding. Like of course you should understand what are these, but like these are not, these are like proper, these are standardized. Okay, you can use different character set also, you can UTF-16 also, you can use UTF-32 also, you can use, it depends on you. Okay, now meta name is, we are giving viewport. Viewport is for making our website dynamic, media responsive. Viewport is, I will tell you what viewport is, don't worry about it. And media responsiveness also I will tell you what media responsiveness is. Content is width to width device. Okay, so width device width equal to device width, device width, and the initial scale is 0. These are, these are standardized things. Okay, initial, INITI, initial scale is, you guys can work with me also, so that, okay, and please excuse me for just 1 minute. I have to drink some water and come. Guys, can I drink some water and come back to you? Sure, thank you so much. Just a minute. Okay, I'll be drinking some water and then I will be coming back to you. Yep, just a second. Okay, yep, I'll be there in a second. Yeah, so what we are learning is, we are learning about division tag and object, right? Yes, I'm back, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Please do like, share, and subscribe, guys. Okay. Yeah, sure. Yes, I'm back. Thank you so much, guys. So, guys, if you want, you can work with me also. Like, if you're working, then you can work with me also. Otherwise, or you can just see, you can learn first, and then you can type. Okay. So these are standardized things. I think your previous teacher would have told you. Okay. Then what we have to do is we have to link, right? We have to link. What we have to link? The style sheet we have to link, right? So we are giving style sheet. Okay. The href tag. Guys, do you know about href tag? Yes or no? Quickly type yes or no. Href tag we have to use. It's Netflix clone dot css. Okay. Do you know about hrefs tag or not? I will close the PowerPoint. There's nothing in PowerPoint now. Href tag, yes or no? Yes, great. So the href tag is redirecting to a new tab. Not exactly redirecting to a new tab, but what it does is, see, it will refer to it. Now here I am, if I'm writing this Netflix clone.css here, you guys can see, right? Netflix clone.css. Now here it is not going to redirect me to a new tab anywhere, but we are linking the HTML and CSS here. Okay. Now one more thing is that you have to link your JS also. I will tell you, there is a link how we are incorporating the JS within HTML. Now we have to give the title. Okay, we have to give the title. So the title is Netflix India Watch Online TV Shows Movies. Okay, and we can give Netflix and chill also, but this is okay, right? Don't take it in other way. It's Netflix and chill, and it's really, I didn't mean anything else. Okay, yeah, yeah. Those who got it, great. Those who didn't watch the stream properly, then also you won't get it. Okay, great. Yes, yes. Okay. So we have done. We have written the title. Yeah, this is done. So I think this was had to be done in the last class, but don't worry about it. Yeah. So then we are creating a body here. We are writing the body tag, and the code goes here. Okay. So what is the code? Span ID. You have to give span ID equal to main. Now what is span ID? We are using a span tag. In that ID we are giving as main. Okay. You have to close it. Then we have to give a header class, not head class. Header class. What is the header class? In that we are giving the logo. We are incorporating the logo. Netflix logo. Okay. Yep. We are giving this. Now there is one tag in hrefs also. ALT tag is there. ALT. Do you know guys know about ALT tag? When you are using image tags, ALT tag plays a very important role. Do you guys know about ALT tag? Yes. Yes, great. ALT tag is for alternative. Alternative. Yes, great, great. Okay, you guys are already intelligent. Why do you need me? Okay, no problem. So then we are having one head after header class. We are having one division class. Now division class is Netflix header. This will be used in your CSS. Remember it. Okay. Now we are having Netflix header. Then we'll be closing this Netflix header. Now we are adding image. So image after this src. Src is image source. You can just write logo.png. We'll be uploading the images, or you can upload. You can give the link also here, or ALT. Here the ALT tag. The ALT tag is Netflix logo. Now, why the ALT tag is used? The ALT tag basically is used if the image is not available because of any reason. This Netflix logo would be shown to the customer. Then we are creating a button. Button. We are giving the button class. Button is the tag which creates button. Now it's the simple English, right? Button creates button. Input creates a input file. Submit creates a submit button. Okay, so these are very simple. No need to no need to learn it, or like ratta. No need to rectify it, but you can learn it. Yeah, I was saying no need to learn it. Then we have to give button the property button btn rounded. What we are giving the property as rounded. Okay, guys, let me know if you're typing with me. Are you guys typing with me? Guys, are you typing with me? Then in that only we have to give one span tag. In that span we are giving one on click function. Okay, what is the on click function? It's toggle button. It's toggle button. Okay, and which button we are incorporating here? Sign in. Is this okay, guys? We are closing the span tag. We are closing the button tag. Guys, is this okay? We have to close the division tag. Now one more division we will be creating. Division class Netflix content. Guys, let me know if you're typing with me. Just let me just come to the chat box here. Guys, are you typing with me? Or you are learning it? Or you are just seeing Siri Paramesh, yes, you're typing it. Okay, great Siri, thank you so much. So if you're typing it, that's well and good. If you're learning it, you won't remember it. I think you can just write it down or type slowly. Okay, that is my kind of speed of typing. You will also get the speed. I'm not that fast also. Okay, Satish, yes, but yeah. So it's completely of basically it completely of these tags only. The major tags that we are going to use are p tag, heading tag, division tag, the button tag for creating buttons. If you are taking input, we have to use the input tags. These are the major tags that we are going to use. Okay. Yep. So this is about your HTML. Here goes Netflix not content, it's content. Sorry, it's Netflix content, right? Yeah, Netflix content. Then we are giving the H1 tag here. What is it? Unlimited movies. Now you haven't seen the actual typing speed. Yes. Now there are two another important tags here. BR. Guys, do you know about BR tag? In the chat box, yes or no? BR tag. Yes. What break line? Great. Great. Yes, great. Okay, done. So BR tag. You guys are already intelligent. Break line, yes. And one more tag is there. One more tag is there, very similar to break line. Okay, what break line does? First of all, what break line does? What is the use of break line? So whatever content you were typing, if you type a BR tag, break line tag, it will end the line there itself, and it will come to the next line. Yes, yes or no? That is the work of BR tag, break line tag. Yes, great. Now, what if I want to break the line, but I want to show a small line also? Okay, this is where the line is break. What is the name of the tag? If I want to break the line and I want to show a small line also there, what is the name of the tag? Exactly. Sai, Venkat Sai. Thank you so much. It's HR tag. Okay, remember that. If you want to show a line, you have to use HR tag. If you want to just break the line, you have to show the BR tag. You have to type the BR tag. Guys, is it okay? Done? Okay, so here we are closing the H1 tag also. Then we are creating the P tag here. P, we are giving the class, yeah, the class as P top and P bot. Top and bottom actually, not bot, it's bottom. So we're giving P top. In P top, you can give like watch anywhere, cancel anytime. I think this is the tagline for Netflix, right? This is the tagline for Netflix. Yep. P tab also closed. Done. This is now, guys. We have to take input from the user. So we are using input type. What type we are taking? We are taking text. We are taking input text. What we are doing it for? We are giving placeholder as email. Remember this. Now, what is the use of input tag? It will allow the user to give input. What is the type? We are taking the type as text. Okay. We are creating one more division class equal to just for get started. Okay. Getting started, or you can just type get started. Right. What you can do is wait. Yes, yes. See, guys, what you can do is just without like Mudavat Sindhu. Yes, okay, then. One more thing, just without like don't type with me. You can take a screenshot also. You can write it afterwards. When you write it, you will get the idea. Is it cool? Is it okay? Yes, guys. So this is how we are typing the HTML part. We'll be typing the HTML part completely. Don't worry about it. Not completely. I will be giving you homeworks as well, because a good teacher always gives homework. Okay. Now one more file that we have to use here is CSS. Okay. This is not untitled. Wait a second. Okay, we can give title afterwards also. So here the name of this CSS file basically is Netflix clone. Whatever CSS type you gave, it's Netflix clone. Okay, so it's Netflix clone. Remember that, guys. Yeah. So how CSS works basically? You guys have idea how CSS works? Guys, do you want me to continue with HTML? Please keep the screen again, old one. Guys, do you want me to work with? Okay, here it is, guys. Work with CSS, or you want me to continue with HTML? You want me to work with CSS, or you want me to continue with HTML? CSS, CSS. Oh, okay. Okay. We are going to work with CSS now. Just a second. CSS is also simple. Don't think CSS is hard, guy. Okay. Just a second. Oh, yeah. Don't think, guys, CSS is hard. Okay. Yeah. Really sorry for the disturbance. I am also in home, right? So I'm having some disturbance. What happened? Yep. Sorry. Yeah. Can we continue with CSS then? Cool. Cool. Let me share my screen. Yep. Guys, are you able to see my screen now? Yep. So here in this thing, we'll be giving the styling to body first. So no, here it is like this. So here in body, the font family, what family we are having. You can use any of the font family. Arial, Helvetica, and Sans Serif is what I use most of the times. Okay, you can use any other also if you want. Okay, now it's WebKit font smoothing. Now here it's a WebKit font smoothing. Okay, font feature settings they have given. Okay, no problem. It's WebKit font smoothing. What it does, it basically smooths the font, whatever it blends in actually, and it anti-aliased. Okay, it's anti-aliased, right? Then we are having one background here. What is the background? You can give the color code. Now you guys, are you do you understand the color codes, guys? Guys, do you understand the color codes? I want to see in the chat, but do you understand color codes? Yes, yes. Okay, great. So there are color codes for everything. 000 is for black, basically. FFF is for white. Now there are different colors also, like color codes also. FF0006, FF06, FF, like that. There are many color codes. Okay. So this is color. Now this here it is done. Next, what are we? We are H1, H2, H3, H4. We are styling them in a different way. So it's color, hashtag, FFF. Okay. Yep. Then we are styling A tag. Quickly write in the chat box what is the use of A tag. I think it has been discussed in the last class. If not, please let me know. Okay, we'll see this one afterwards, no problem. Then we are giving styling. Sorry for this. We are giving styling to P tag here. What styling we are giving? We are giving the margins here. Okay. The class is scheduled till 10. After that, I would be taking the doubts. Okay, please remember that. Yep, I will be taking the doubts from all of you. Now we are styling dot Netflix logo. Okay, we are styling Netflix logo. Whatever name you have written here, okay, whatever name you have written here, that is the name that has to be like you should have written here also, Netflix logo. Okay, dot Netflix logo. Yep. In Netflix logo, you can give the width, that is 100%. Width, sorry, not Q%, it's 100%. Okay. Then height, HEIGHT, height tag goes in. Then the position tag goes in. It's relative actually. Okay. Yeah. Now the session now, because I'm typing, I'm not able to anchor tag. Yes, it's anchor tag. Great. Now one more thing here, guys. As I was typing, I came across one thing that was known as viewport. Do you have any idea about viewport? What viewport is? What is media responsiveness? Responsiveness of a website. Do you have idea about it? Yes. Yes, Chandravardhan. Okay. Guys, I'm not able to speak to all of you, but like it would be very interesting if we are speaking to each other, right? It would have been very great. Not in a other manner, like not like everyone would be talking, then it would have created a ruckus, but not like that. I'm talking like it would have been very interesting if the students can interact, right? They are able to ask the questions and everything. Yep, no problem. So here, see, viewport media responsiveness is very important for any of the website. Now the laptop screen here is not same as the phone screen or a tablet screen, right? The laptop screen is not same as the phone screen or tablet screen. Yes, the width is different, the height is different. These things are different, right? So this is known as media responsiveness. When we are using viewport for making it adjusts exactly. Very good, Kaushik. Very good. It adjusts the aspect ratio. Okay. Yes, great. That is media responsiveness. Let's come back here. Position is relative. Don't worry about it. Next, we are giving the background. You guys can give how to 100 VH. VH is viewport. Okay. Then you guys can give the background URL as bg.jpj. Okay. For no repeating, you have to write no repeat, otherwise it will repeat. Then you have to write center for the text alignment. Then you have to write center cover. Okay, so that it is in the center, right? Right? Any doubts till now? Any doubts? After that, dot Netflix logo. After adjustments we are doing here. Okay, and position is absolute. Top 0, left 0, Z index 1, width 100%, and then height it's 100 VH. Okay, then you have to give background as RGBA is red, green, blue, and alpha. In place of red, you have to give the value as 0. In place of green, you have to give the value 0. In place of blue, you have to give the value as 0. What is alpha? Alpha is basically the transparency. Remember that. Okay, alpha is basically the transparency, how much transparent is. So I have to give RGBA. Then we will be giving the box shadow. So it is inset. It is inset box shadow inset. 40 pixels, 30 pixels, 100 pixels, and the color code is black. So it will be 0000. One more inset that you have to type is inset minus 40 pixels, minus 30 pixels, 100 pixels, and again the color code is 000. Done? Done. Guys, yes. So please take a screenshot of this. If you have taken a screenshot, please let me know. If you have taken the, it adjusts the aspect. Yeah. Now, if you have taken the screenshot of that, please let me know. If you have taken the screenshot of HTML file also. Yeah, sure, sure. I'm sharing. I'm sharing. Share means, should I share it? How should I share? Like I am sharing the screen, right? So through notes. Okay. So if I have the sharing through notes PDF. Okay, I will let the team know that they can share the notes with you. When they are sharing the notes with you, the code is present. But what you can do is quickly you can take a screenshot of this so that you are having the code with you and you can understand it in a better way. So I'm keeping this for 10 seconds here. I want everyone to please take screenshot. First one, please. Send codes also, bhaiya. Okay, done. I will ask them to. Now bhaiya is being a little bit. No problem. I'm just kidding. You can call me bhaiya. It's great. Yeah. Um. Yes. What I was saying. What was I saying? You guys make me forget. Yeah. Attendance. Okay. Attendance link also. I will be giving you the attendance link. Just let me access it. Now I'm the. Okay. So attendance link is there in your chat box now. Okay. So the attendance link is there in your chat box. Now what I want you to do is the screen is here for 10 seconds. You can take a screenshot of it. Okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And here also this is the part. So here also you can take a screenshot. I will be sharing the HTML one. Guys, I have already created the website. Before joining this, I have already done. Okay, I've already created the website. This is for your knowledge that I'm writing the code. Okay, I don't want to just explain the code. I'm writing with you, and as I am writing, I am explaining it. right? That works, right? So have you taken the screenshot of CSS file? Have you taken the screenshot of CSS file? Yes. Should I share the HTML file? Should I share the HTML file? Yes or no? Huh. Great. HTML, please. Done. Done. Here, this is the HTML part. This is not the complete part. Already done. Okay. This is not the complete part, but yeah, we'll be completing it. Don't worry. Now I am open to doubts. I am open to doubts. Let's go. If you have any doubt or anything, please let me know. Let's go with the doubts, guys. A Zen attendance link isn't accessible. Okay. Yes. Gautam Taluri. Yes. Guys, oh, I am able to access the attendance link. Are you guys not able to access the attendance link? Should I share the link? No, we are not able to access. No, no, no. Okay, 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 okay. Wait a second. Wait a second. Guys. Let me just quickly copy it, send it to my mail ID. You guys know I had to close my WhatsApp was open in the my system, so I had to close my WhatsApp so that there are no disturbances in between, right? Otherwise there are like hundreds and hundreds of message every 10 minutes that I'm getting, right? Yeah, because of that I had to just close it. Now the attendance link should be with me. Yep, here it is. I did not paste the link. Okay, wait a second. How stupid a man can be. It can be as stupid as our bhaiya. Okay. Yes. I did not paste the link and I have sent the mail. Great. Now we'll get one more mail ID. You guys don't see this. Okay, you guys don't see what my mails are about. Yeah. So here we are having the link. I'm copying it and I'm giving you the link now. Done. Yep. Guys, the link is there in your chat box again. So that is the attendance link. Yes. Yep. Now I'm open to doubts. Let's take the doubts for another 10 to 15 minutes. Then we will say bye bye to each other. We'll meet tomorrow, Monday blues session. Right? Quickly let me know. Quickly. What are your doubts? If you are having any doubts, please type yes. If you are not having any doubts, please type no. If you are having any doubts, we are continuing the session. We will take the session. If you are not having any doubts, let's end this session. Once again, show the codes. Yes, sir. Yes, Maurya Satish, sir. So that is your HTML. You can take a screenshot of this. Then we'll be taking the screenshot of CSS also. If you have taken I'm not able to see the chat box now. So you can just quickly tell me if you have taken. Okay, how will you tell me? Of course, I cannot see the chat box. I am doing this for another 10 seconds. I'm keeping this for another 10 seconds. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. I think most of my students are from Hyderabad, right? Hyderabad is in the house. Hyderabad is in the chat box. Yes. Guys, I don't know. I'm living in Hyderabad right now, but I'm not like that much confident with Telugu. So Okate, Rundu, Mudu. I know all only all these things. Yeah. Yes. Great. So you guys have to teach me, okay? Telugu. You guys have to teach me, okay? Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Is this Satish sir? Hello, Satish sir. Is this done? Have you taken the code? Alage sir. I don't know what alage means. Kaushik, I don't know what alage means. Means okay. Okay. Right. Done. So guys, shoot me with doubts. Come on. Please. I at least 1 to 2 doubts I would entertain Okay, we are having we are like, I can extend the session till 11 also. I don't have anything. Yeah, but if there are doubts, we will be continuing. If there are no doubts, we will be ending the session, right? Because it's Sunday, you know. Monday we can take, but Monday we can take till 11. Yeah, yeah. Please come on, guys. Any doubts? Please, okay. Make sure you share the codes. Okay, done. Please, sir. Yeah. Sure, Kaushik. No worries, guys. Doubts, please type yes. If no doubts, please type no. If there are no's, we'll be ending. We'll be going towards the end of the session then. No, one no, no. Okay, Shreya, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Meghna. Mamta, no. So I was very crisp and clear, right? No doubts. Drishti Kumari, no. Chandravardhan, no. Guys, okay, done. Like the session, share the session with your friends so that they are joining tomorrow. Okay. Yes. Had a great session. Thank you, sir. Having half knowledge in this coding language, sir. Having half knowledge in these coding languages. See, the most simplest language in the whole world is HTML. HTML is the most simple. Okay, very simple. Don't worry about it. You will learn. Guys, see, one more thing. Uh, Learning is a process, right? It's not a 1 day, 2 day, 3 day thing. It's not even a 7 days thing. You cannot learn anything properly. Even I am not very much confident. No, you can say confident. Yeah, I am confident, but I am not very much fluent in most of the languages, right? And of course, you can stuck anywhere. Sometimes your tags won't work. Sometimes there are spelling mistakes that you make. And you guys know, for developing a website, we have to write how many? Any guesses? How many like lines of code we have to write? 6,000, 5,000. These many lines of code we are writing. And then if there's a spelling mistake, basic mistakes. You know what we make? We are making semicolon mistake. We are not ending with semicolons, right? So mistakes are there. We have to learn. But what we have to do? We have to learn from the mistakes. That is the only thing. That is the only thing that is there. You have to learn from your mistakes. Okay. Yep. Now, in each and every class, that is my duty. I give a quote to the students, right? I give a quote to students. Today's quote is, you may have heard it many times, but it is one of my favorite quotes. It's past is history, tomorrow is a mystery, and today is a gift for all of us. That is why we call it present. Guys, live in present, enjoy your present. I think the session was great. Thank you so much, guys. You have made it very lovely. I want each and everyone to be there in the next session. Okay. I won't ask any of you to like rate the session. That won't look good on my behalf also. Yeah, sure. No, not sir, not sir. Thank you, Miss Bhaiya. Okay. You're not calling me Bhaiya. My name is Pranay. Bhaiya, like guys can call me Bhaiya, but okay. So all these things are just, I'm just kidding, right? Okay. Yes. So guys, can we end? Should we end the session? Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much. PG, post graduation, right? No, nobody. No, Kaushik. I have not done my post graduation. I don't look that much old, right? I'm not that much old. UG. I have not completed my UG. I am currently doing my UG. Yes. But like if you want to know about HTML, CSS and JavaScript, I have been working with web development from the past 6 years. I'm working with web development from the past 6 years. So that is the thing, right? No post graduation, pursuing huge undergraduation, but 6 years is the time that I've been working with this thing, HTML web development basically. My majors are actually web development, artificial intelligence, and Python. I'm not going to disclose that which college. No. That's not how it works. But yeah, we'll be interacting with you. I'll be interacting with you. My majors are Python, artificial intelligence, and web development. Maybe in future I will be bringing a Python course also and artificial intelligence course also for all of you. But this is a web development course, a web development boot camp. Yeah, Netflix clone boot camp. Please like, please share it with your friends. Okay, guys. Should we end the session? We will be ending the session on a high note. The code is already there with you. Enjoy your present. Can we have your mail to interact with you? Okay, okay. Just let me check once. Like I'm able to share the mail ID with you or not. Yep. So yeah. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. From LinkedIn, you are going to find out which college I'm in. Yeah. Great. 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 Okay. So I will give you my mail ID. Okay. This is my mail ID, singpranay40@gmail.com. Okay. Please feel free to interact with me. Please feel free to message me. Should we end the session? Guys, should we end the session? Thank you, buddy. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Great, great. Enjoyed the session. I also like the session very much. Thank you so much. It was a great time teaching you. Yep. Okay, buddies. No doubts. No doubts. So I'm ending the session. I'll be ending the session. Now, also, if you're having any doubts, please let me know. The attendance link is there with you. My email ID is also there with you. I'm open to mails anytime, unless I'm sleeping. So your LinkedIn profile is not that kind of a great. I'm just currently building my LinkedIn profile. It will be there with you. Okay. My mail is there. Just interact. Just share your like. You can communicate on my mail. Then from there we will see the further communication. Okay, Shreya. Is that okay, Shreya? Any more doubts or anything? And then uh, we will be. I will be very happy if you are having any doubts or anything. Yep. So by the end of the session, you will be confident with everything. You will be having an project with you, a project with you that is Netflix clone project, dynamic project. Okay, guys, do you want to see the project basically? Like, do you want to see the Netflix clone project, how it looks like? Okay, sir. Yes. Okay, Shreya can call me sir. Okay. Yes. So yes, I need 2 to 3 more yeses in the chat box. Then I am going to show the project ones for you. Yes, sir. Okay, done. Okay, wait. Let me go this. Here is the Netflix clone. Let us to HTML. Let us run it. Guys, are you able to see? This is the project. Netflix clone project. See here. So here you can type your mail ID. That these are profile. Okay, watch everywhere. So here you can add different things also. You can add like this plus button here, here. Okay, you can add different things here. This is footer basically. This is what we call a footer. That is header. And here if you click on sign in button, email and password, this is a dynamic website basically. Okay, is it cool, guys? Is it cool? Is it interesting? Is it interesting? Yes. Yes, cool. Yes, I know it's cool, right? Yeah, and when you are going to make it, it is going to be more cool. Yeah. Yep. Okay then, guys. Bye bye. I'm going to take your leave. Thank you so much for joining. Yeah. Bye bye, guys. Happy Sunday. Let's meet on Monday. Yep. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye. Good night. Good night, everyone. Bye, guys. Bye. Bye bye. Good night. Have a good night. You too, Shreya. Good night. Bye bye. Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much, Sandeep. Thank you so much. Yes, this is what I want basically. Okay, done. Done, guys. Done. Bye, guys. Bye, everyone. Bye bye.